All right, example 2. A rectangular garden has an area of 24 square feet. The width of the garden is 5 feet less than its length, L. Yes, that's a cursive L. What is the width of the garden? Okay, so things we need to know. 1, the area of a rectangle. Area equals length times width for a rectangle. Sorry for the wiggling of the screen. Area, they gave it to us, it's 24. The length, we don't know, they gave us L, so we use L. And then the width, it was 5 feet less than that, so L minus 5. All right, let's go ahead and work that out. Area equals length times width. Now, it's okay if you put the area at the end. You can say length times width equals area. Same difference. I just like to have my numbers or my 0 at the end. So we distribute length times the width. L times L and L times -5. We get this equation. Remember that I want to have this set equal to 0, so I'm going to take the 24 and move it to the other side. Remember, what happens when we move something from one side to the other? You got to change the sign because we technically would be subtracting 24 to both sides. So we get this new equation. Now it's set equal to 0 because there's nothing left over here. Okay, now we're going to AC factor. So AC comes out to be -24. Our B value is -5. What's going to work out? 3 and -8. You multiply that, you get your -24, you add it up, you get your -5. So we use the 3 and the -8, always dividing by A, which happened to be a 1. So we divide by 1, stick an L on there, divide by 1, stick an L on that one. Write out those two expressions. L plus 3 equals 0. L minus 8 equals 0. We work it out. We get a -3 here and we get a +8 there. Now, what were we talking about? A length and a width of a rectangle. Can you have a negative measure? No. Can't have a negative measure. You can't have negative measures. You can only have positive measures. So we use the 8. That's the one that we are looking at, not the -3. That means that our length was 8, but that wasn't what the question was asking. It said what was the width. And if we remember, the width was 5 feet less than the length, so just take away 5 and we get a width of 3.